Hi, I'm Dr. Seth Moliver of Moliver Chiropractic, located in Davidson. Here in Moliver Chiropractic, we offer manual adjustments. We also offer the ProAdjuster. The ProAdjuster is the latest technology available to chiropractors, developed by Sigma Instruments. The ProAdjuster allows me to scan your spine looking for any problem areas or misalignments. The ProAdjuster uses gentle tapping to put the bone back in place. It allows me to scan your spine, as so. Look for the problem areas, noted in red here. Hit the adjust button, and gently tap those bones back into place. When we're done, we take a post scan to make sure we have removed the problem areas in your spine. Please call Moliver Chiropractic with any questions or for a free consultation.